On September 17th, the Hana Playlist concert was held successfully at Yonsei University's open-air theater. IVE took over the stage in cute and innocent schoolgirl outfits. They ignited the atmosphere with performances of hit songs like Kitsch, Afterlike, and Love Dive, all while receiving enthusiastic support from the audience. Especially during IVE's IAM performance, the dazzling fireworks added extra excitement to the viewers. Member An Yujin seemed to enjoy the fireworks sound, smiling brightly as she continued her performance. However, Jang Wonyoung had a different reaction. Wonyoung seemed frightened by the loud noises, gazing up at the sky and tightly closing her eyes. Capturing the same situation but with different reactions, the adorable snapshot of An Yujin and Wonyoung went viral online.